Have you imagined not paying for your electrical bill ever? This home can actually offer you that. Comes with solar panels, huge, massive backyard, and a big deck for entertaining purposes. Amazing amount of light that comes through in the house. 4 bedrooms upstairs, over 2,000 square feet home, 9-foot ceilings, you name it, it has it all. We're close to walking distance to all the major amenities. We're bringing it on the market at a very reasonable price, will not last long. I want you to have a quick look. Come on in.